My husband and I lived in a garden shed. It was literally a garden shed behind a house that had 9 other dudes living in it, because that's what we could afford while I was in school full time. And we had a dirt floor, like it was dirt. So every time it would rain, just water would pour under my bed. Basically everything that we have now, whether it's going on trips or, vacations, that never really felt possible. And the job that I had was just something that I got to kind of get me through school. But I got out of school with my $56,000 a year student loans, realizing that I have no idea what I was getting that degree for. I love to inspire people. That's my jam. Because I was that person that would watch like direct sales, oh, this woman just, has $1 million team and this woman just did this. And I'm like, oh, please, those aren't actually like people. Nobody actually does that. And I was not the finisher. Like, I was not the woman that came into this business with a set goal that was gonna, rocket herself to the top. I'm 12 years in now. I was a slow starter. And so I feel like sometimes people feel like they had to shoot for the stars from the beginning, and I was not that person. So kind of showing people that at any point they can choose to make changes and they can kind of take control, that does inspire me. As if I think about doing like 300,000 again this year, like that is a big goal. And I think sometimes what we do is we place these really big goals in front of us that are so scary that they just shut us down. And I think what I would tell everybody is break it down. Like, you've got to break it down into small pieces. If you want to beat the sales record, make it smaller numbers, make it a monthly goal, because that's what I had to do. And you've got to get out of your own head. Like, everybody's always doubting themselves and putting themselves in the equation. I'm like, it sounds so weird, but you've got to remove yourself. You've got to remove the emotion. You just sit down and you get the work done.